Have you ever stopped to consider what it actually takes to move $500 million in physical cash across a modern country without a single soul finding out? Tap your card. Press your screen. We live in a world where physical cash feels like a ghost. Digital balances shift effortlessly across invisible bank ledgers, creating the modern illusion that paper money is completely dead. But this is an absolute fallacy. Beneath our frictionless digital economy lies a highly weaponized physical infrastructure. At this exact moment, billions of newly printed banknotes are moving silently across our global highway networks. Consider this chilling reality. How do you transport $500 million in cash through open, dangerous terrain? A single payload represents a completely irresistible target for cartels, organized syndicates, and highly coordinated paramilitary groups. Yet, these massive fortunes arrive inside central bank vaults every day, completely untouched, safe, and entirely unnoticed. This is not achieved by simple luck or heavy firepower. It requires a flawless, mathematically driven ecosystem. If you want to understand the hidden architecture of power, you must follow this highly guarded journey. Before we unlock the secret vault, consider subscribing to help us decode more invisible, global systems weekly. The journey begins not on the asphalt, but deep within the clinical security of a government print facility. Rows of mechanical presses churn out crisp banknotes under the intense glare of high-tech automated sorting systems. Pallets of raw wealth are stacked with absolute mathematical precision, wrapped in thick, heavy industrial security layers. The currency is loaded directly into the belly of an armored transport, a multi-layered fortress built on wheels. These vehicles do not use standard commercial truck steel. They are engineered with military-grade ballistic composite plates. The windows are composed of dense, multi-layered polycarbonate glass designed to absorb multiple rounds from high-velocity rifles. The run-flat tires feature solid internal reinforcement rings, allowing escape even if completely shredded by explosive spikes. But physical armor is merely the first passive layer of defense inside this highly sophisticated mobile vault. If attackers breach the perimeter, the transport cabin transforms instantly into an active, hermetically sealed containment capsule. Smart active defense systems can instantly flood the rear storage vaults with thick, blinding, incapacitating tear gas agents. Simultaneously, internal ink bomb modules detonate automatically, soaking every single banknote in indelible, permanent chemical security dye. In less than 1 millisecond, millions of dollars are rendered entirely worthless, destroying any financial incentive to attack. Yet the greatest weapon protecting this massive fortune is completely invisible. It is pure algorithmic route design. An armored vehicle never travels along a predictable path, nor does it follow standard GPS navigation software. Instead, centralized quantum-safe computing arrays continuously generate thousands of highly randomized, dynamic routing variations every minute. The crew on board does not choose their own direction, nor do they know their ultimate destination beforehand. Tactical satellite communication arrays push real-time, turn-by-turn navigation data directly to the driver's encrypted dashboard console. If a vehicle idling at a red light is shadowed for even 90 seconds, algorithms flag the anomaly. The system immediately reroutes the entire convoy away from potential choke points, alleys, or pre-planned ambush zones automatically. The physical vault door uses a dynamic, rolling, dual-token encryption architecture that completely bypasses human intervention. The security guards inside the truck do not possess the keys or combinations to open the rear doors. Access can only be granted remotely by a secure command center thousands of miles away from the vehicle. This strict operational design completely eliminates the vulnerability of insider threats, extortion, or direct field coercion tactics. Under the cover of darkness, the transport vehicle smoothly enters a heavily fortified subterranean concrete transfer facility. Massive hydraulic steel bollards rise rapidly from the asphalt behind it, completely sealing off the entry point. Armed tactical security operators monitor the perimeter using multispectral thermal imaging and advanced facial recognition arrays. The rear mechanical doors are finally unsealed via remote satellite handshake, initiating the rapid cargo extraction phase. Automated, heavy-duty, laser-guided pallets lift the massive crates of currency directly from the truck's secure cargo bed. The wealth is wheeled into a vast clinical processing floor, operating under high-intensity, shadowless white lighting. High-speed optical currency counters process up to 40 banknotes every single second, with near-flawless mechanical accuracy. Advanced spectrum analysis lasers verify the unique security threads and microscopic magnetic ink signatures on every bill. Counterfeits are instantly flagged and isolated by automated sorting gates without slowing down the primary intake stream. This level of velocity and strict control ensures the physical integrity of the entire nation's monetary system. Once fully verified, the cash is transferred into the ultimate destination, the central bank's deep underground vault.
Chapter 5. The Price of Absolute Trust. The Psychology of Institutional Value and Structural Vault Geometry.
This subterranean vault is a masterpiece of extreme structural engineering, built to withstand sustained military-grade artillery bombardments. A massive 20-ton circular steel door hermetically seals the entrance, locked by complex, time-delayed mechanical clockwork mechanisms. Inside, towering walls of cash and solid gold bullion sit silently in cold, climate-controlled, highly secure chambers. The sheer scale of resources deployed to move and protect this paper money seems almost absurd today. Why expend millions of dollars and massive military force to guard a currency that is purely fiat? The answer is profound. You are not protecting mere paper. You are protecting the illusion of absolute trust. If the physical chain of custody breaks for a single day, public faith in the economy collapses. This invisible, highly militarized network is the silent anchor that keeps our entire digital world from collapsing. If you want to explore more hidden mechanics behind global power structures, hit subscribe and join us.